So just imagine you have a few days to prepare for JAMB exam. You have, say, 30 days, 1 month to prepare for the exam, JAMB. You already know how important JAMB exam is. So if we have just 30 days to prepare, is it possible? What can make somebody that probably you have not been serious with preparation and now you really need to study and hit your scores in your JAMB? If we are looking at scoring like these ones, 300 and above, if we are looking at scoring like God's gift, 364, 362, 356, Benjamin, 366, Priestley, 354, and Faithful, 350. If we are looking at you scoring this, getting this kind of result in your JAMB, right? And you have just a few days, say you have just about 1 month. I don't know whether you have up to 1 month as you are watching this video, or you have less than 1 month. But in this video, we are reviewing, if you have just 1 month to the JAMB exam, what are you to do? There are about 4-5 things I will share with you that I believe, if you have been in this channel, you know that we share things that work. These are the things that will help you not to cry at the end of the JAMB exam. Okay, we will just move on. Number one, I need you to understand that JAMB is not like WAEC. JAMB is not like your normal exam. It's not what you play with. JAMB, in Nigerian parlance, we say they know they look for face. They know they look your face. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you have graduated, whether you are secondary. You need to put on your best. It is garbage in, garbage out. Do you know why? It is between you and your system, between you and your computer. Between you and your computer. And you have just 2 hours, 120 minutes to answer 180 questions. So basically you have 40 seconds to answer each of the questions in JAMB. And that is why a lot of you are afraid. But don't be afraid. Just understand that JAMB is so serious. JAMB is not child's play. JAMB is so serious with the exam. This year, more than 2 million persons registered for JAMB. Last year it was 1.something million. This year, more than 2 million persons registered. It shows you that the competition is high. The competition for this year's exam, JAMB exam, is high. Now, knowing that it is this way, the thing for you to do is to lock in and focus on these remaining few days. Stop crying out how you did not start on time, or the few days that you have, or the plenty syllabus you have to prepare with. Lock yourself in. Focus. If I were you and I have just 30 days or few days to the exam, I will switch off many other things, right? If it is social media, I will switch it off. Whether it is your WhatsApp disturbing, your Facebook, anyone disturbing you that could prevent you, distract you. We conducted a survey in this channel and we found out that a lot of you say you are distracted. And when we started asking, what is it that is distracting you? More than 60% said that the distraction comes from social media. Maybe you enter TikTok and you should be reading it, but you are on TikTok or you're on Facebook or you're any platform and your time is going. So we recommend that you focus. You have your timetable, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all the rest for your exam. So focus on it. This period, if I were you, you have 24 hours in a day. Of course, you cannot study for the whole 24 hours. You can pick just every day. I must lock in 6 solid hours of study, 6 solid hours of reading, 6 solid hours without distraction. Let nothing distract you. Let nothing take away your mind. Okay? So that is it. In that 6 hours or in those days, of course, you know the subject you are good in, the subject of your strength and the subject of your weakness. So it may be use of English, it may be biology, physics, government, mathematics, anyone. You just pay much more attention on those ones. Okay? And now, you should not just read. There is a trick, there is a secret I will give you. not just about locking yourself and reading. You need to read the proper way. JAMB every year gives us syllabus. In the syllabus, they will tell you, okay, this is what where we are going to set questions from. It will actually make you not to be surprised when you enter the exam hall. They've already told you, okay, we need you to pass, and we are giving you your syllabus. This syllabus, if we come to a subject like English language or biology, we will give you a series of topics that questions will come from. If we come to a subject like mathematics, we give you a topic series of, because biology, mathematics is a very vast subject. You cannot possibly read everything, but they will give you few topics to focus on. So you need to get those authentic JAMB syllabus and read according to that syllabus. If you need me to give you those syllabus, I will give it to you. If you need me to give, I can give it to you free of charge for you to become much more serious and pass. My interest is in you passing. Number 2 is you will also need to read with your past question, because most times JAMB will repeat the questions. Those questions they will ask you, there are some that they have said before that they will not repeat again. So you need to study up past questions as much as possible. If you read a lot of past questions, you will not be surprised in the exam hall. If you study with your syllabus and your past question, I can give you past question. If I'm not giving you past question and you need me to give it to you, just tell me, sir, give me past questions, and I can give them to you. I can give them to you so that you begin now to prepare. I need you to score 300 and above. My prayer, and I need you to claim it, is 300 and above in this JAMB. You are entering school this year. Not only that you enter school, you enter the university you desire. They will give you the course you desire. It's not that you want medicine and they will give you any other course, right? You will go get your grades, score 300 and above, enter school. You will not be among those that will spend one more year at home. You will not be among those that will be ashamed of your JAMB result. You will not be among those that will be ashamed of showing your parents or showing me your JAMB result. You will be proud after this JAMB exam. So I need you to focus, do your best. Number 2, watch the videos we have done on this channel. I have done quite a lot of videos to prevent you from crying. I took out my time, did a lot of past questions. I've done videos on English language. We have done over 20 videos on use of English. If you need me to give you access, the link to all the videos we have done on English, tell me. I'll give it to you. If you need me to give you the videos we have done on biology, I'll give you. If you need me to give all the videos we have done on physics, mathematics, government, economics, all of them, I can give them to you. I just need you to ask me and lock yourself in and study. Lock yourself in and study, right? Okay. If you do these things, nothing will prevent you from passing. The last thing I will share with you is avoid scammers. There are many scammers. Scammers come in many forms. They will come and tell you that they have seen the JAMB question and they will share it with you. It's not true. They don't see the JAMB question, right? JAMB is, even if they see the JAMB question, you don't know the type you will write, because there are type A, type B, type C, several types. So you can be writing chemistry, type A. Somebody sitting close to you also writing chemistry may be writing type B with a different set of questions. So let nobody scam you. Let nobody deceive you. I need you to lock yourself, read. Watch the videos we have done. Ask me your questions. You will pass. I need you to claim it, and let's work harder. Work harder, let nothing distract you. You need the past questions, let me know. You need the syllabus, let me know. You need me to give you the link to the videos we have done, let me know. Nothing will stop you from 300 and above. Congratulations in advance, and type, if you claim those things I've said, type I claim it. If you need me to give you the past questions and the syllabus, ensure you join our YouTube channel. That is a must. Click on join our YouTube channel. It's an investment. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video. Share it here on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook groups, and everywhere. Then when you share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you have done these things, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come under the comment of this video and do what? Type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the required materials. Nobody will scam you and you will pass. Thank you so much. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and watch.